Good morning. It is July 19th, 2024. It's about 6:15 in the morning, and I am headed down to Pueblo Reservoir to go fishing. Now, I gotta tell you, this is not my first time going down to Pueblo Reservoir to try to make a fishing video. This is like my fourth or fifth time, and every single time I have just come up short, and it is driving me crazy. And I have a lot of tenacity when it comes to fishing at different locations, and I'm really determined to catch a fish. And basically, I think the last times I've been going, maybe it's been too hot or it's been too cold, I was fishing in the wrong location, or I wasn't using the right bait. So this time around, I'm gonna use worms because that's supposedly one of the best things to use at Pueblo Reservoir when going shore fishing, and I'm gonna find a point to go fishing from. So that is my plan of action for today, and hopefully I will catch a fish this time around. So the last video I did in Texas, I don't know if you saw it, but I lost my Oakley gas cans and I was really bummed. So check this out, right? New Oakley gas cans. No, Oakley did not sponsor this video. I had to buy them myself, and I got ones with a cool little American flag on the side so I could be a little patriotic. But here's the thing, these do have polarized lenses, and it's really important to get glasses with polarized lenses when you're fishing. You can see the water a lot better that way. But these particular glasses did not come with polarized lenses. And all of the Oakleys that I found with polarized lenses were really expensive. So I found these, they were like $130. And then I found replacement lenses, polarized replacement lenses to put into these glasses, which were about $20. So it was a lot cheaper to go that route than it was to get Oakleys with polarized lenses. Now, if you'd like to get yourself some Oakleys, I did put a link in the description of this video for you to be able to get yourself some glasses. The last time I went fishing at Pueblo, it was about 2 months ago, and the wind was crazy. I got there and it was fine, but as soon as I got set up, it was kicking up to be like between 20 to 30 miles an hour winds, and it just was terrible. So I checked the weather for this morning, and the winds are supposed to only be maybe like 4 or 5 miles an hour. It's supposed to be sunny with a little bit of clouds, and it's going to be maybe about 75, 80 degrees while I'm there. So I think that's going to be perfect fishing conditions. So we have an amazingly beautiful day today. Unlike the last few times I've been here, I'm on a point. There's a little bit of a cove to the left of me if I want to try going over there. But I'm throwing my one line out. This is a Thill slip float, like a slip bobber, and it'll sort of slide up and down until it hits a little green string that I have right here. And I do have a worm on it, so I'm going to throw this one out. And my other line, I have a regular bobber with 2 hooks with 2 worms. So let's see what happens today. There's one, and I'm gonna try to get my other bobber over there a little bit more. That's great, where I want it. So, like I always say, sit and wait, right? Hopefully I'll catch something today. I don't care what it is, really. Just as long as I catch something at Pueblo. This is unbelievable. I haven't even thrown my lines in for 2 minutes, and I can't find that slip float. It is gone. I got all excited. I just couldn't see it. So I was at that other spot for about 45 minutes and I didn't even get a nibble, so I changed spots. I gotta tell you, I have no idea what I might be doing wrong here at Pueblo Reservoir that I don't ever get even a single bite. It drives me crazy. My bobber has gone down. Finally. I don't see it anywhere. Totally not seeing it. There it is. Yep, got some of my worm. Okay, so I'm gonna cast right back out that way where it was. I'm gonna put a fresh worm on this and see what happens. My God, my bobber went down. Now it's back up. Took some of it. This has given me hope. I don't know what's going on over there. Little fish. But it went down like really hard. There's fish. I'm seeing them starting to hit the water now. Unbelievable. I think I finally might have caught something. Just like little fish, I guess, out there. And my bobber went down again. Didn't stay down. I don't know, I'm fishing in the wrong hole, I think. Fishing in the wrong hole. So I gotta say, I need help. I am really frustrated at this point. I've been fishing here for 2 hours now. I've been to Pueblo Reservoir like 4 or 5 times now trying to make a fishing video with absolutely no luck every single time. So if you're a fishing guide and you're watching this channel, or you know someone that's a fishing guide and they would like to get a free video and sponsor my channel, please put it in the comments section. I would really love some help. Well, I've now been here at Pueblo Reservoir for 4 hours now. It's getting really hot. The bobber has gone down 3 or 4 times, but I didn't catch anything. Really disappointing. I may have lost this battle, but I definitely did not lose the war as of yet. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Maybe next time I'll actually catch a fish here. Tight lines to all of you, and have a wonderful time fishing in and around Colorado Springs.